7 exercises for older adults to prevent balance disorders and falls. Did you know that every year millions of older adults experience falls, many of which lead to serious injuries? Balance is something many of us take for granted, but as we age, it can become more challenging. This happens for several reasons. Muscles weaken, joints become stiff, and even our sensory systems, like vision or inner ear balance, may not work as effectively. According to the World Health Organization, falls are a leading cause of injury-related mortality among older adults, highlighting the critical need for preventive measures. This is why it's vital to incorporate specific exercises that target strength, coordination, and stability. So today we are sharing 7 simple yet powerful exercises that older adults can do to improve balance, reduce the risk of falls, and feel more confident in everyday movements. Stick around till the end because these exercises can transform your or your loved ones' lives. Let's get started. 6 single leg stands. The single leg stand is a simple yet highly effective exercise for improving balance and stability, especially in older adults. This exercise involves standing on one leg while keeping the other slightly lifted, engaging key muscles in the legs, hips, and core. By forcing the body to rely on one leg for support, the single leg stand strengthens the stabilizing muscles, which are crucial for preventing falls and improving overall coordination. It also enhances proprioception, the body's ability to stand behind a sturdy chair or near a wall for support. Hold the back of the chair lightly, lift one foot off the ground, and balance on the other leg. Hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds before switching legs. Aim for 3 repetitions on each side. And remember, take your time. Balance improves with consistent practice. 5. Running. Running can significantly improve balance and reduce imbalances in older adults by strengthening muscles, bones, and enhancing body coordination. This activity targets key muscle groups like the legs, hips, and core, which are essential for maintaining stability and posture. Additionally, running is a weight-bearing exercise that increases bone density, reducing the risk of fractures. By engaging the body on uneven surfaces or varying terrains, jogging improves proprioception, your body's ability to sense its position in space, and trains the nervous system to respond quickly to shifts in footing, preventing trips and falls. These benefits are particularly vital for older adults who often experience muscle loss and coordination decline. Running also boosts cardiovascular health, improving blood circulation and oxygen delivery to the muscles and brain. This reduces dizziness and enhances reaction times, further promoting stability. It stimulates the vestibular system, responsible for balance and spatial orientation, while strengthening the connection between the brain and body. Beyond the physical benefits, jogging increases confidence and reduces the fear of falling, which is often a significant barrier to movement. For older adults, this creates a positive cycle of improved mobility and balance. However, beginners should consult a professional to ensure proper form and avoid overexertion, making the journey to better balance both safe and effective. 4. Side leg lifts. Side leg lifts are an excellent exercise for improving balance, stability, and lower body strength, making them especially beneficial for older adults. This exercise involves standing upright and lifting one leg out to the side while keeping the torso stable and straight. It targets key muscles, including the glutes, hips, and thighs, which are essential for maintaining proper posture and preventing falls. By strengthening these stabilizing muscles, side leg lifts improve lateral movement, enhance coordination, and reduce the risk of muscle imbalances that can lead to instability. Additionally, side leg lifts engage the core muscles to maintain balance during the movement, promoting better body control and alignment. For beginners, holding onto a chair or wall can provide extra support, while more advanced individuals can increase the intensity by adding ankle weights or performing the exercise without assistance. Regularly practicing side leg lifts not only enhances strength and flexibility, but also boosts confidence in everyday movements, empowering older adults to maintain their independence and mobility. Simple yet effective, this exercise is a great way to build balance and stability for a healthier, more active lifestyle. 3. Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a low-impact, slow-motion exercise that combines deep breathing, mindfulness, and fluid movements to improve balance and overall body coordination. Particularly beneficial for older adults, Tai Chi enhances flexibility, strengthens muscles, and improves posture. By focusing on controlled, deliberate movements, it helps build stability in the lower body, especially in the legs, hips, and core, which are crucial for preventing falls and maintaining balance. The practice also promotes better proprioception, the ability to sense body position and movement, leading to improved awareness and quicker reactions to changes in balance. 2. Lunges. Lunges are a powerful exercise that targets the legs, glutes, and core, making them an excellent way to improve balance and stability, particularly in older adults. This movement involves stepping forward with one leg and lowering the body into a lunge position, engaging the muscles in the thighs, hips, and core to maintain stability. By working on one leg at a time, lunges help strengthen the stabilizing muscles that are crucial for balance and coordination, which naturally decline with age. The controlled move, these simple movements strengthen the muscles in your lower legs, particularly the ankles. Strong ankles are essential for responding to sudden shifts in balance and for walking on uneven surfaces. Plus, this exercise improves circulation and reduces stiffness in your legs, keeping you mobile and steady. 1. Squat. Squat's a powerful exercise that builds leg strength and enhances overall stability. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and slowly bend your knees as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest lifted and ensure your knees don't go past your toes. Push through your heels to return to standing. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. Squats strengthen your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, the foundation for balance and movement. They also improve joint flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles, helping you perform daily tasks like sitting, standing, or climbing stairs with ease. These are the 7 effective exercises to help older adults prevent balance disorders and reduce the risk of falls. Whether you're looking to stay steady on your feet or support a loved one in maintaining their independence, these exercises are a great place to start. Remember, consistency is key. Start small and gradually increase the duration or repetitions as your strength and balance improve. And always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.